Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about how to fix Bluetooth not working on iPhone. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution, you have update software. If Bluetooth remains dice fictions, it makes sense to go for the software update, as I am afraid there might be a software bug behind the problem. So you have open the setting, click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version is available on your iPhone, so must be installed and download on your iPhone. Then second solution, you have reset all setting. Whenever my iPhone seems to be blacked by complex or persistent issue, a factory reset to is the one of solution I always look up to. Mind you, it is a god find record of fixing and instance. Go to the setting app on your iPhone or iPad, click on general, then you have scroll up, then you transfer or reset on iPhone. So then you have click on reset our setting, input your device passcode and confirm the reset or setting. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset or setting on your iPhone. Then third solution, you reset network setting. Many a time resetting the network setting has helped me resolve the Bluetooth issue on iPhone. So going to try the effective solution to bring the ill-affected Bluetooth back on track. So you have opened the setting again, click on general again, click on transfer or reset again, click on reset network setting. iPhone given a passcode, then you have entered a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset network setting. Then fourth solution, force restart with iPhone. Force restart, also called hard reset, is pretty handy troubleshooter, especially for common iOS issues. To force restart your device, press the release the volume up button. After that release, press the volume down button. Up next, press the hold the power button until the screen of your iOS device go black and Apple logo comes up on screen. Then wait 10 seconds. Mobile is restart. Then your problem will be fixed. The last solution, you have turn on and off Bluetooth on your iPhone. It would also wise to turn off and on Bluetooth your iPhone at times. Just soft resetting the Bluetooth can let you get rid of the problem. So open the setting, click on Bluetooth, turn on and off on your iPhone, then you will wait a few seconds, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.